life, you're the toy that's caused me the biggest problems. And the one that I liked playing with the most. It's obvious you're only here as a distraction. You already know how this will play out. You're a fool. Why are you laughing? Rushing ahead recklessly. I'm familiar with your brazen style. But without one for all, you're blind towards death! The current's keeping me from regenerating. Quirk. Springify. Plus Brawn Boost. Plus Air Cannon. Plus Rivet Stab. Plus Dark Ball. Plus Impure Beam! You call this fighting? Now that is laughable. You washed up piece of filth. Did you get a big head after putting on that fancy body bag? Huh? Your toys can't go beyond their limits. They'll break and you'll lose everything. Don't assume I've fallen for your pathetic plot to stall me. I've got so much leeway that I'll lose nothing by taking a moment to pick up trash! Will suffer! You laugh like a lunatic, then run and hide. There he is. I know what you're trying to do. But I don't need to exert myself to carve that grin off your face. I can kill you in power-saving mode. Your agony will be exquisite. Nice try! Oh, please. I'm barely trying. Oh, your smile disappeared. Now you're just a broken old man who's missing half his guts. Copying the powers of children far younger than you. Desperately trying to keep one foot out of the grave. How can you bear to be so pathetic on camera? The whole world is watching. The symbol of peace has become the symbol of impotence. And now he will die. The light of justice is snuffed out. I told you. You can't go beyond using toys. Huh? Where's your smile, old friend? That's not a good look, former hero. Bereft of hope, missing your trademark grin, struggling on the ground like a worm. I'll relish the look of utter despair in your eyes. Then I'll make a mess out of your face, just like you did to mine all those years ago. What's happening? I can't move. Forcible quirk activation. Bloodlight. Chizumeya Kaguro. I predicted you would eventually try to tip the scales against me. So I put countermeasures in place. You were the only one at Tartarus who refused me that day. Since then, I've been prepared for you to make a move. Are you stupid? I used antigen swap. It totally altered my blood type. One trick to ruling from the shadows is to make sure you never leave a trace of yourself behind. Purging so much blood felt nice. There's a new pep in my step. Rejoice! Your quirk will make a fine addition to my repertoire. Now that I think about it, you've contributed quite a bit to the League's development and to Tomura's killing. I'm afraid I have no more use for you, hero killer. Your role ends now.
Achilles! I thought you were destroyed!
I managed.
Come and get me.
the moment I injected rewind, this spot has been my destination. Once I transfer my duplicated quirk to Tomura, he'll become an iteration of me that surpasses all that I am now.
Get back over here and fight me!
For the transfer to go smoothly, Izuku Midoriya can't interfere. Come to me, Tomura. We've been apart far too long. Master. Don't get in the way. It's as I suspected. Tomura has already consumed my consciousness. But no matter. He can keep playing. I'll simply go to him. Your countenance is positively tragic. Is it because you realize you sent these kids to slaughter, chasing after an impossible dream? Nana Shimura's final moments. Why do I think of them now?
Maybe this time when you blow up, it'll at least be bad enough that you come back as a toddler!
No, he means to kill us both. You idiot. You thought you'd get to choose a heroic death. It's all over. You're finally out of tricks. Blood Colonel. I'm very aware of how frightening a wounded hero can be, but I won't let you go out. That I hate the most is you. That's right. All of this is your fault, Kuno! Now that's the look I've been waiting for. You understand that you failed, and this is your lowest point. I got a little distracted and missed the old fool. Well, well. Your aspirations will crush you, Danjuro Tobita. Those are the X66s that helped the American hero corner Tomura. But Star's not here anymore.
Then he didn't have that look in his eyes. That bastard! He crossed time and space to fit! I can't let my body age any further. I thought that no matter what, I needed to reserve my remaining strength. This ends here.
Come this
Killing the boy.
Take one down with my brother first.
Unleash!
To do that, I need to conquer
power I
Tomura's
utilize.
rebellious mind completely. Easy enough. Forcing my quirk on him will do the trick.
So I have think of it as a delayed explosion.
Control whenever I try
That's
to
what
use
went into my mouth!
I thought I'd consider every
But I can begin. This is my story, understand?
Its broadcasting switch to another. Understand? I map infinite routes.
This is making my blood boil. My path is littered with pebbles I can easily kick to the wayside. The road to my goal hasn't changed. So why? Why do the gears seem to be slipping out of place? The winds should be blowing in my favor. Enough of this. I'll kill you later.